Are you tired of being skinny? Do you or your baby struggle to gain weight? Well, you are very lucky. Today, I am sharing my secret recipe for a delicious and nutritious drink that will help you or your baby get chubby fast in just a few days. Yeah. Hey Chubstars, welcome back to the channel where we focus on healthy weight gain for adults and children. If you or your baby has been struggling to gain weight, or you know someone who has been trying to gain weight, then you are in the right place. This magical drink is packed with calories and nutrients that will help you to achieve your weight gain goals. So if this is the kind of video you have been looking for, then grab a popcorn, stick around, watch this video from the beginning till the end, then like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you will be the first to get notified. Without further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient to be using is pawpaw, but this isn't a new purchase. I actually bought this for my household a while back and decided to freeze some of it for future use. Let me show you how I prepared it. As you can see, I washed and cut it up, and after using some of it, I froze the leftover. Now we're going to use that frozen leftover in our smoothie. Here is the frozen pawpaw, and this happens to be our first ingredient for this recipe. The next ingredient is bananas, and bananas are very rich in calories and very essential for weight gain. Next up is Maki Healthy Food Fattening Chubby Butter for babies and adults. This here is a powerhouse of nutrition, and with its unique blend of ingredients, it helps to boost calorie intake and support overall health. Trust me, this product is a must buy if you really want to gain weight. Next ingredient is Maki Healthy Food Chubby Babies Protein Mix, and this product is packed with nutrients, fruits and nuts that help babies and adults gain weight very fast and in a healthy way. It is very high in calories, rich in protein and super active. With this product, you will see results in no time. Next up is Greek yogurt, and I greatly recommend Greek yogurt because of its full cream goodness. And let's not forget the cinnamon. For babies, cinnamon can help to boost their immune system, aid digestion, and even support brain development. And for adults, it helps to add a delicious flavor and aroma to our smoothie. And to give our smoothie an extra boost, I am adding Maki Healthy Food Date Syrup. This natural sweetener not only adds flavor but also increases the calorie count of our smoothie, making it even more effective for weight gain. This Maki date syrup is very rich in nutrients, antioxidants and fiber, so it is very essential in our smoothie. Proceed to add the frozen pawpaw into the blender for extra nutrition. And after the pawpaw, I'll add some ripe bananas for natural sweetness and extra calorie. Next up, I'll add Maki Healthy Food Chubby Butter to give our smoothie a calorie boost. You know, it is very essential. And following that, I'll add some Maki's date syrup to increase the calorie count and add extra sweetness. Mind you, this date syrup is 100% dates, no added sugar, no preservative and no additives. This Maki's natural sweetener does not only add flavor to our smoothie but also increases the calorie count of the smoothie. So you can either use the date syrup or the date powder. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of the syrup and that will be fine. Then again, I'll add some Greek yogurt for creaminess and a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor and medicinal benefit. And finally, I'll go in with Maki Healthy Food Chubby Babies Protein Mix, the ultimate game changer for weight gain. So we're going to be blending all of these ingredients together to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. If you have watched up to this moment, please take a time off to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time I post a new video. And that is it, guys. Our delicious weight gain smoothie is ready. Now, to make it even more appealing, I'll be topping it with extra Greek yogurt and sprinkling some Chubby protein mix on top. This smoothie is not only delicious, but it is also packed with nutrients and calories that will help you gain weight very, very fast. The Maki healthy food products are also designed to support healthy weight gain for both adults and children. So, what are you waiting for? Try this recipe out and see the results for yourself. You want to get your hands on these amazing products? The link to purchase Maki Healthy Food Chubby Babies Protein Mix and Chubby Butter is in the description box below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your weight gain journey. Click the link and start your journey to a healthier and happy you. If you're an adult, take this smoothie 5 times in a week, and it can be taken at night when you are about to sleep and your body is already relaxing. And if you're making it for a baby, give it to them like 3 times in a week, and it should be given as their evening snacks, right? So this will help them to put on some weight very, very fast. It is tested and trusted, and the Maki healthy food product there is the game changer. So if you have a slim baby, or if you're a slim person and you want to bulk up, this is the right nutrition for you. It works perfectly. This smoothie is suitable for babies from 6 months, toddlers, teens, adults, and the aged. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye!